Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating desktop shortcuts for your apps and programs on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up the Start menu. Get there by clicking it at the left-hand corner of the screen or by tapping the Windows key on your keyboard. Scroll through your apps here to find the one you want to create the shortcut of, and then right-click it. From the pop-up menu here, click on More and then select Open File Location. This will open up the file that the app is saved in. Now just right-click the desired program and then select Create Shortcut. A pop-up should now appear asking if you want to save the shortcut on the desktop. If it doesn't save there, then just drag the new shortcut to the desktop yourself. As you can see, the shortcut for Photoshop has been added to my desktop. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.